Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at the Tech Travel Geeks. And this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing of an AUKEY Powerbank. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, I'm going to use my blunt scissors to cut through the cellophane and get at this AUKEY Powerbank that AUKEY have very kindly sent us for review. We've been using AUKEY for years, both Lukasz and I, as a brand, and it's great to have the engagement from a brand that we use and trust going forwards on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. Now, as the device arrives from Amazon, it is in cellophane. I've just lifted up the cardboard lip to take all the cellophane off, but as you can see from the front of the device, it's very simple packaging that tells us that this is a 10,000 mAh universal power bank with Qualcomm QuickCharge 3. And on the back, very little other information, but it's obviously very environmentally friendly packaging. Now the lip comes up, there's another internal lip, and a very compact power bank comes out of a soft touch plastic bag. We'll have a bit more look in detail at the AUKEY power bank in a moment. What we'll do first is see what other contents are in the box. When purchasing power banks, one of the important things is what cables come in the box. And luckily there's not too many of them here. There is a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, which is great because this is not just Qualcomm QuickCharge, it is a power delivery power bank. So that works with a variety of devices, including the Google Pixel series. And there's a very brief user manual in multiple languages with information on support and how to use the device. So I'm going to put the packaging aside and let's have a closer look at the power bank itself. So it's nice soft finish plastic matte all round, and it's rounded. There's a glossy bit on the side that tells you the input and output details of this power bank. Essentially it can output 9 or 12 volt at 1.5 amp. So you're looking at a fast charge 18 watt output from this power bank. So glossy bottom with all the details and labels you need. And I'll just take the plastic off this one. And on here you see that you have your Qualcomm QuickCharge USB Type-A output and power delivery, both for input and output, which is great. So what we're going to do now is leave the AUKEY 10,000 mAh power bank on charge. We're going to give it a full charge, and then once that's done, we're going to test it out with a couple of devices. I've selected the Google Pixel 4 XL and the iPhone 11 just to give it a bit of specificity on the devices we'll be testing this with. But for now, as I said, we'll be charging up the power bank and we'll be back with a full test. So bear with us. Okay then, I'm back, and the good news is that the AUKEY power bank, as it came out of the box, was mostly charged. And I charged it up and did some tests with a range of devices. But the two that we're going to focus on in this video are the iPhone 11 with an AVWIS cable that we previously unboxed and gave you some first impressions of here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, and the Google Pixel 4 XL. Now I've chosen the Pixel 4 XL because it's a power delivery device, and it will show us clearly if it's fast charging or not. So, first impressions are excellent. The device does definitely fast charge the Pixel 4 XL, and it handles the iPhone graciously. I can't really tell if I'm fast charging or not on the iPhone, but that's because I never really need to do that much. This basically goes on charge at night and doesn't get charged or topped up during the day. But let's see how this works. So this is the AVWIS cable that we previously unboxed and provided you with some first impressions of on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. You'll see that we do have a charging indicator at the top of the screen there. It is charging, and you also see the power display on the power bank is showing that it is charging, so it is active. Now there's 4 LEDs indicating the levels of charge of the power bank, usually an LED per quarter charge, and there's also an extra one which is red for indicating when the battery is flat or empty. So great to see the iPhone works with this. Some cable and power bank combinations don't always work in my experience. Now let's take out the Google Pixel 4 XL with the included USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. So this is a power delivery device, PD, and I'm plugging that in. Let's double check it's on and we have the LED indicators on. And I'm going to plug it into the Pixel 4 XL and we should get confirmation that we are charging, and in fact we have that. So you'll see that we'll say swipe to open, and at the bottom it says charging rapidly. So that's great news. That means that the 10,000 mAh power bank should be able to top up or fully charge your Pixel 4 XL a couple of times. It's never a 1-to-1 ratio with regards to milliamp hours and power banks. Obviously you're transferring power over a cable and there's some inherent inefficiencies there. But I have to say that overall, I'm really quite impressed by the AUKEY 10,000 mAh power bank. Now, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And if you enjoyed this video or you found it useful, please do give us a thumbs up. If you're interested in purchasing this AUKEY power delivery and Qualcomm quick charger power bank, I'll leave the description with a link to the product on Amazon UK, and if you purchase from there you'll be supporting us as well. So for now, as I said, thanks for watching and we will speak to you soon. Goodbye.